With regards to hair restoration, men and women, it's definitely an issue if there is any areas of hair that have been lost due to alopecia or any other issues just for thinning. Instead of men having to take all those different, medications, we actually can use PRP to restore the hair. Typically within a month, you see new hair growth, and oral medications can't offer that. Side effects, absolutely none. Downtime is absolutely minimal. It's an evening of downtime. And basically you have hair that's growing in under a month.